Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel The Beauty Bliss. My name is Aishwarya and in today's video I'm going to share with you this really easy, simple and realistic Rakhi look. And this look I have created on basis of how would I actually get ready for the Raksha Bandhan festival, because this is a family festival I celebrated at home and I really don't like to wear heavy makeup or create a glam look. So I have created this easy, simple, realistic look and it is really easy to recreate as well. If you want to know how did I created this look and what products I have used in this video, so make sure you watch this video till end, and without wasting any time, let's get started. I have no makeup on my face, so first let's begin with priming up my skin, and for that I'm going to use this primer from NYBae. I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil from Mascara and I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. I'm going to keep my eyebrows natural as possible. I really like it that way. For my base, I'm going to use these two concealers. One is from Show Cosmetics and another one is from Swiss Beauty. All the shade name and number I'll mention in the description box below, so to check that out. I will be using really less quantity of this concealer on my face. I'm just going to apply on my problematic area, which I believe make my skin look uneven. So I just want to make my skin look more even tone and more like clean. That's why I'm going to apply this concealer, but very less quantity. Blend this concealer with help of this brush. After blending my concealer really well into my skin, I'm going to use this banana powder from Show Cosmetics and I'm just going to set my face. My eye makeup, for that I'm going to use this palette from Glam 21 palette. I'm going to use this orange shade from this palette, and afterwards I'm going to use this shimmer golden shade from this orange shade. I'm going to apply all over my crease area like so. After that I'm just going to take this golden shade from the palette with help of my fingers and just going to dab it over my eyelids. Orange eyeshadow also on the lower lash line. To complete this eye look, I'm going to use this mascara and eyeliner from Show Cosmetics. I'm going to create a wing eyeliner look, and wing eyeliners are my all-time favorite. For my blush and highlighter, I'm going to use these two shades from this palette from Show Cosmetics. This highlighter. Everything is done, just my lips are remaining. For that I'm going to use this lipstick from Just Herbs, and in this shade I'm using is Rasin Rust. You guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you do like this video and find this video helpful, do let me know in the comment section below, and like this video, share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.